Imagine a remote mountain village covered in endless snow, a place where the cold never leaves and life becomes a test of courage every single day. This is the coldest mountain village on Earth. Temperatures fall to -60 degrees Celsius, and even breathing feels like pulling ice into your lungs. The air is so cold it can freeze water in seconds. Houses stand buried under thick layers of frost, trees shine like frozen statues, and every road looks like a long white tunnel through the mountains. Time feels frozen in this village. But the most surprising thing here is not the cold, it is the people. They wake up with calm faces and warm hearts, even when the world outside feels deadly. Cold outside, warm hearts inside. Children walk to school through heavy snow, adults cut wood with frozen hands, and families survive on fire that must never be allowed to die. Survival here is a lifestyle, not a choice. Every drop of water comes from melting ice, every meal is protected like treasure, and every step must be careful. Yet nature shows its magic too. At night, the sky becomes a painting filled with blue, green, and pink lights moving slowly across the darkness. The aurora makes the coldest place look heavenly. But this village also holds deep emotional stories. Elders say, the cold can take everything, but it cannot take our courage. Their spirit is stronger than the winter. One winter, a young man went out in a storm and did not return. The whole village stepped into the freezing night to find him. In this village, no one faces winter alone. Hours later, he was found alive, and that moment changed the entire community forever. Since then, every door stays open, every fire is shared, and every person protects the other. Unity is their true warmth. Daily miracles happen. Someone saves a freezing animal, someone brings firewood to an elder, someone guides a lost traveler through deep snow. The cold may be powerful, but the love in this village is even stronger. And when you prepare to leave, something unexpected happens. A strange warmth fills your heart. The coldest place on earth has the warmest souls. This village teaches one unforgettable lesson. Strength is not created by comfort but by courage. The weather around you doesn't define you, the fire inside you does. Even in a world made of ice, a brave heart can keep life warm forever. A heart full of courage can survive any winter.